Helo. Disgod bots fi. Di mynd yn... effed up. Dwi'n gweld gwerad o hwn. Os dwi'n yn gwachod. Dwi'n ddech chi'n cadw iawn. Am I human? Yes. Um... Authorize. No a? Okay. So dwi'n rhaid hwnna. Bots. Goals. Bots. Stream code. Stream code. Ah. Okay. That should work. Oh, sorry. O'n i'n... Dwi wedi sorry neb yn gotchad. Embarrassing. Iawn. Sweet again. Come Just gonna play my little game. Nothing more. Nothing less. Nice. So, o'r tro dwytha ti streamio, os ydych chi'n gwachio hwn ôl ar y fod, dwi wedi bach mwy o missions.
Come to think of it, was there not another task we were to see to somewhere nearby? We shall have to decide which is the most
Is
expressive.
i'r carchar a nes i accidentally lladd.
We cannot do everything at once.
Whoa, frame rate. Okay, let's go.
This might be worth a read.
Let's have a look then.
Oh. Dwi angen mynd I fanna. Is i weld TikTok neithiwr.
The solution eludes me, but I'm certain there is one.
Oh my god, dyle.
Well met, sir.
Over here, if you would.
Oh my god! Am cychwyn. Bloody hell.
As pawns are not permitted within the castle, I will bid you farewell when we reach the entrance.
There's a ladder here. We ought to put it to good use.
No, no, no! Come on. Oh. Click. Clickety click. Clickety click.
I can accompany you to the castle entrance, master, but no further.
What? Huh?
Oh, what does this say?
Let's have a look then.
Oh my god, oh my god. Just grab me out. Yeah.
With the ferry stone in hand, we can travel wheresoever we please.
Tau.
It is not an item to be squandered.
Hoi! There you go. Be dwi'n pigo fyny fan hon? Eisiau pigo beth fyny fan hon? Silver Rapier. So is it... Oh my god, it's right here. Wel, that's gwell, dweud, ond it's underwear. To me! Iawn, dwi'n meddwl dwi wedi glitcho'r mission yma. So dwi angen mynd i fama gynta i weld os dwi wedi glitcho.
Tell is, Vermund was once a beastren kingdom.
'Tis here that the bodies of... I beg you to conduct yourself with care and with a reverence befit. Your patronage is much
Na, dwi'n fi nath. Dwi'n fi nath. Oh my gosh, mae pobl pwysig ma dwi wedi... Mae pobl pwysig ma dwi wedi accidentally lladd i gyd. Okay. These shards became a wake stone. Oh shit, ein dwi wedi lladd gyda. No. Oh, okay, so mae gen i weak stone. Pedwch o sbio, ia. Neb sbio ar y pobol yna. Dim byd i wneud efo fi. Nothing to do with me.
Shall remain here.
She ella accidentally
Oh, looking for the Jadeite orb, are you?
yes.
Can't say I've seen it, or heard of it for that matter. Mind refreshing? It's all coming back to me now. Which is to say, I've not a clue. My first stop would be Ibrahim's scrap store. The scrap stores are in the check...
Yes! Hebddy Cocker.
Have you come to release me from this jail? Who are you?
There isn't.
Oh. Then we are presented with three options.
Three options.
Either the law of our world that allows only one arisen, or Jesus arisen is false, or have you proof that you are arisen, as you say? Ah.
This massive.
They say the Arisen's breast bears a wound akin to the dragon's claw. By that mark, this reminds me of a happening 148 years ago. During the reign of Regent Alphonse, a man named Crusoe, he went before the people, insisting that he, and not Regent Alphonse, was the true Arisen. And what befell him? Ha! Crusoe was discovered to be a liar. Whereupon his head was liberated from his shoulder. Aye, I dare say your arrival portends another beheading, but whose will it be? Escape? Here, I spend my days perusing the code and deciphering old texts, and I need not adhere to Deesa's absurd demands. That said, if you know of a place, tell me. Does that... I suspected as much. Then we are...
The magistrate seeks a place to quench his thirst for knowledge. Where might we find one, I wonder?
There was a place fitting that description within the slums, as I recall. Yes, of course. I see it now.
What?
Well, I suspected as much.
O ie, beth dwi'n angen neud o'r mission yma ta? Mae'r gem yn really awful efo ddweud chdi beth i neud. Find a place with plenty of tomes. So be? Search efo. Just mynd i search efo. Don't care. Find a place. Plenty of tomes. Okay. Go back to the... Dim fi nath. Dim fi nath.
I'd very much like to rejoin you, Master.
I'm in no hurry to leave.
What's it?
Greetings.
Greetings!
Guided, you need only make a worthy offering in exchange. I have seen your path. May you've my gratitude. 'Tis
What?
lovely to see you.
Di literally ddim dweud beth i neud fan'na.
What am I to do?
Dwi angen mynd i...
There's a ladder here.
We ought to put it to good use.
Mae tŷ fi. Sauce Roma. Okay. Cos...
We must
Oh!
rest.
Naci! Ah! Bastard! Bastard!
Tis a perilous journey I've had arisen. Now we've the vim to tackle the day ahead.
So nice, Phil.
Shall we get some rest then?
Yes! Yes. Gwerthu, gwerthu. Ys gwerthu crap i di. Sut dwi'n dal average? Okay.
Wait for the new equipment to come in.
Time to head to market, methinks.
Time to head to markets, methinks.
Have you a different destination in mind, Master? Very well. I shall follow your lead instead.
There is much we ought to tend to. If we are to strengthen your majesty, a place with books likely to entice Magistrate Waldo. Kendrick of the Gracious Hand is versed in many things.
A good sleep will ensure we are prepared for the morrow.
Diolch yn fawr.
Now we've the vim to tackle the day ahead.
Come, we've much to be getting on with. Feeling rested, I trust?
Let me in done. Let's do the magistrates. Okay. Zit hem door, mama.
Clean and tidy. What else needs doing?
Suppose I ought
Fine weather today.
Hier slums.
My head hurts just thinking about it.
I want to go home.
Arms, arms for the poor. Pray grant those less fortunate.
A fine place to harvest some ingredients.
Might I beg but a moment of your time?
Ik wil er niet, hoor, man. Kendrick.
What teachings might serve?
Are you Kendrick?
Well met, Sir Arisen.
Yeah?
Might I trouble you for alms for the poor? Many thanks. Well met, Sir Arisen. Might I trouble you for alms for the poor?
1000!
Many thanks. Hold on a moment, Sir Arisen. You see, one of the children we care for here at Malcolm, his name is.
Malcolm.
He's a steady lad. I can't imagine he would have run away. This building's very old. Might I impose on you to search for him?
Might I propose we seek out new information? You have my support.
Malcolm's been really into explore. Just the other day, he was going around telling anyone who'd listen about
Bosch!
Ox.
May tomorrow be as uneventful as today.
This looks as good a place as any.
Oh, children, where are you?
We have found a material.
I'm sure we'll find a purpose for it in due time.
Nu is een doing prijsbebel. Wacht niet, Barret. You kid.
Malcolm, don't know why he bothered.
Let me get that.
There's a punter, mama. See.
Is Malcolm? We were supposed to go
Let's go
exploring
before.
together. Wish he'd woken me up.
We'd best report back.
Vaults, you say? Ah, but you mention rubble, aye? Come, I fear there's not a prey. Follow me, and quickly. I believe this is the place to which the look there, a hole. Could he? There is naught to be done but have a look for ourselves. Let us make haste.
Oh my god. Oh, that's us. Let's me make haste, Sevilla.
I can scarcely see a thing in this murk.
Whoa. You in. You in.
Malcolm, thank goodness you are unharmed.
You stupid twat.
You have my eternal gratitude.
Sir Kendrick, you'll never believe what I've found. It's just up ahead. Books, sir. Books.
Truly, perhaps we ought to take a look.
We ought to follow close behind.
I quite agree.
Shit. Vet du, hun er per ring du i gaven, man. Magic defense.
Let my magic imbue your weapon with the fury of the elements.
Don't fucking speed there, Bachada. Calm down.
Heavens above!
Isn't it amazing? And I found...
'Tis quite a find indeed. Why, I've ne'er seen so... Might I ask that you not share the existence of... We cannot allow the knowledge We ought to entrust its care to someone worthy. Someone who can... As for you, Malcolm, I forbid you from telling...
Oh, but...
However, in exchange for your... Let's investigate this place's...
It near boggles the mind that so impressive an archive slumbered here. 'Tis surely any scholar's dream. You have my support.
Yeah. Vad ska du då med?
Causes conflict to plague the world. May tomorrow be as uneventful as today.
That someone would spare me this agony. What do you want to talk to me for?
Vet schon du. Och så med.
I don't know what to do.
I'll feel a sight better once I've had my dinner. Sometimes I wonder.
What trouble is festering?
Always another errand to see to.
Oh dear. Trade.
Catch naught but fried, mate.
Vill framerate va? En pannishik prynu.
This ladder looks sturdy enough to climb. Ah, excellent find.
En pannishine där jag kanske på det fas MT. Kallar never assume again. Never assume. Ooh.
We shall await you here, Master.
Well, oh, to guide me outside then.
Sorted, mate. Forma, mate. Ti di femma, mate. Badass with a American stupid gwbl.
If you truly are arisen, words may be wit, mayhap the knowledge I've gained.
Arisen. A frame rate. A blinking. Drama. And instead. Os ydych chi'n gwylio'r stream ac yn meddwl, mae'r stream chi'n choppy. Nah, that's the game. That's the game.
Shall we get some rest then?
That is very much the game.
Open your eyes, everyone.
Open your eyes!
Dark out, but our day begins. Shall we check our packs and be off?
Feeling rested, I trust.
There is much we ought to tend to. If we are to... Since Magistrate Wardor has been safely delivered from his cell, mayhap 'twould be prudent to visit the man on occasion and avail yourself of his vast stores of wisdom. Now, would you be so kind as to return the key I lent you?
No. Oh, seriously, do you want to know?
I thank you. Pray.
A result to be proud of.
Well done, everyone. 'Tis vital that we rest and regain our strength before moving on.
It seems you must attend a palace masquerade if you're to meet the one who would falsely claim your title. 'Twould seem we've a need.
Welcome to... And quality's what you need if you want to survive.
Sell, sell, sell. I'm gonna sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. I'm gonna sell, sell, sell.
Many thanks. I appreciate the business.
We angan mynd.
That looks promising. Any ideas as to how we might reach it?
No. Oh, funny. Partner.
Need anything?
Perhaps a stroll through town. See what I can find.
Yeah.
Might as well take a look while you're here, eh?
There's a ladder here.
There.
We ought to put it to good use.
Come, I'll I'll lead the way.
Dim di fan'na. O, hwn dio.
Might as well take a look while you're here, eh?
O. Oh my god.
Might as well take a look while you're here, eh?
What?
Might as well take a look while you're here, eh?
Bloody gamer.
Well met, son. How might I be of service?
With a fairy stone in hand, we can travel wheresoever we please. 'Tis not an item to be squandered.
It seems you must attend a palace masquerade if you're to meet the one who would falsely claim your title. Shall we make for Vernworth Palace?
Oh, dwi
As pawns are not
angen...
permitted within the castle, I will bid you farewell when we reach the entrance.
We're in your hands, sir. Much obliged.
Villa there. Search there. Sneak pawn. Official pawn. Dwi angen... Hawks. Dwi angen rhywbeth hawker. Hawker, give me a hawker. Good.
If your pack grows overfull, simply ask me to sell off your surplus items. I'll have the gold for you in a trice.
At least I go knowing I fought to the best of my ability.
Då så med.
Let us work together to honor...
Ja, så var hawker.
This rumor has been troubling me ever since I first caught wind of it. Apparently, there is an illness we pawns can catch beyond the rift that makes us a danger to ourselves and others. Symptoms include an unruly attitude and overconfidence. And in the end, we turn our backs on our master and our duty.
How terrible. We shall have to be alert for signs of the sickness among our number.
Okay.
That's it. I've had enough. I've had well enough.
Lots to be taken care of before the day's done. Not sure what kept me in bed at this hour. Stomach's complaining.
Dwi angen the weapons da wan. Rest till
A good
morning.
sleep will ensure we are
Rest till morning.
I feel refreshed and ready for a new day.
Yeah, let's go.
Come. We've much to be getting on with.
Shall we get underway?
Can you not tell me what to do?
Very useful ingredients to be.
I welcome rumors of any sort, my friend.
Dim chdi dwi isio call.
Mayhap this ladder is here for a reason.
Mayhap,
Excellent find.
mayhap what's the reason?
Would that I could spend all day here.
I'll ne'er tire of the tales people tell.
I'm nodding off where I stand.
Dwi'n dwi'n dwi'n
My knees have been acting up of late.
On?
This place is awful dull. I only pray my watch finishes without incident.
What are you doing? We've not been given leave to rest yet.
I'm well aware of that. Thank you.
Sut ffordd dwi'n i'r ystol na ta?
They'll wish they'd helped.
Mayhap I'll nose around. See what's selling lately.
Whoa. What manner of fish is this?
O, ta be.
I see you cannot manage without me for a moment, Arisen.
Do stop and have a look. I've wares of every ilk.
Ah! Now here's a surprise.
A splendid discovery.
Interesting. I shall have to inform my own master of this.
I am master. Iawn, dwi'n mynd i'r lle ymlaen I prynu stwff.
This cart's bound for the checkpoint rest town. I'll not take you anywhere till I've had my
Okay, dwi'n siarad dyd y villa nagos. Dwi'n siarad dyd y villa na.
When does my watch end?
Tit. Dozer. Dozer, you big dozer.
That's enough.
Fine, out of the car.
I would have preferred not to have to fight so soon, but at least I know I am up to the challenge.
We must not let down our guard.
We're still in the fight!
Hey, fucking. How dare you? Mora Samanda.
A common reward.
Ooh.
Frustratingly so.
Ooh.
We cannot expect gleaming treasures round every corner.
Pray, sir, see. As for where to look, you could...
Rhiannon.
Greeting. We see a great many customers given our location.
Welcome. If you think me a liar, then buy something and see that.
Okay. 혼자 영어 편이야?
Truth for yourself. Ah, I see you desire one of my masterpieces. Very well.
Still. Beast mask.
Many thanks to you.
Dude.
The Jadeite orb is safely in hand.
What's it?
So, how goes it? Did you manage to retrieve the Jadeite orb?
Oh, yeah.
Splendid. Before we discuss your reward, however, you see, in my line of work, trust is come. I trust old Ibrahim.
Follow my lead.
Well met, son. How might I be of service?
Къде водиш и пръндева? Хайде да си не това.
Good day, Ibrahim. Now, I have a bit of business to attend to while he performs.
Got to make hay while the sun shines.
Well met, son. How might I be of service?
He ought to be finished by now.
Bak demiş mi?
You have done your title proud, Arisen. This Jadeite orb is it. My partners shall be most. You have certainly earned your reward, and I do hope you will permit me to call upon.
Yeah.
Well, there's always demand for
Oi.
Partic- particularly near the board. Where quarrels occur.
Poison paint on. Click like got poison paint up. Ooh. Silver ore.
every other day.
Right. Whoa. Magic. Sell. Oh, the shirt.
Always a pleasure. Where? Oh, there's always demand for weapons, particularly near the border where quarrels occur.
Oh my god, we're 600 shirt. Ah, shit. Ja, doen we gewoon weapons gynta. Weapons yn wys. Sell. Okay, we should.
Always a pleasure.
It's going to be in the Senate. Are you sure? Enough fairy stones there?
Wonder how our village fares. They have it.
Should.
We seem to have arrived without issue. But are we safe here?
Sir Arisen, just when almost all of the villagers had arrived as well.
Oi, what are you doing standing up?
Jonas, this is the good sir I spoke of.
Is that right? Then I expect you did it once afore, eh? Only natural you...
My apologies for the chief's temperament.
Yeah, fuck you.
Yet he speaks truly. We pray, calm the beasts as you did before, sir.
These Saurians are a stubborn lot. What say we make them think twice, that's it.
Oh no.
Cling in again.
Oh, I'm in there.
Letting the enemy gain the upper hand. Early Griffin gets the worm, as they say. I'll intend the same spell will overwhelm our foe without...
I knew it would be better.
Our foe is not interrupted. Not bad, all things considered.
Stay with me. Hold right back.
The Saurians are no more, I see. That's twice you've come to our rescue. You're more than a friend to heart. Truly, we cannot...
What?
Here he is!
Jonas!
This blasted beastren went and ventured into store. How many times have we said none are to tread there? There can be no doubt.
Ooh.
He's the.
Forgive me. I never meant.
Trust a beast. Jonas! Sure, you would say that. Would seems to me beastrens go causing problems. Jonas, please!
Okay, hell.
There!
You're being racist.
Twould seem we mustn't let this sour your triumph. I do hope you shall visit us again.
A ruder fellow I never met. The village's troubles are far from done, if you ask me.
Pray. Follow me. Not much going on.
Jag vet inte vad ett undrar med. Quest. Stolen Throne. This What? I didn't even know that. Oh my god, the fucking... Jo, bod dim allan neud fewn fem o'n.
This ladder looks sturdy enough to climb.
We ought to put it to good use.
We must rest.
Oh my god.
Now we've the vim to tackle the day ahead.
Off we go, then.
Feeling rested, I trust.
Yeah.
I'm always doing about a dozen things at once.
Shall we make for Vernworth Palace?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Star. We serve all manner of fine ales here.
That's the time.
Always a pleasure. Welcome to the Star Drop Inn. We serve all manner of fine ales here. Shall I pour you a cup? Always a pleasure.
Come, I'll lead the way.
No.
Good tidings, As for me, I made the most of my. You see, I grew so fond of the destination my feet carried, and that's when I thought, mayhap I can't just give it to you, mind. I've my relocation costs. Well, friend, what say you?
20,000.
Sorry, I am to hear it. You know.
Ugh.
One of many to own a home, master. Shall we gather the requisite funds to make it our own?
Yes.
You have my support.
Welcome to. We serve all manner of fine ales here. Always a pleasure.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, someone talked about this.
Beg pardon, see, a friend of mine has an empty house, but no use for it. Wouldn't come free, mind, but the price is a fair one, and you'd have a place to call your own. Well, you needn't decide this very much.
Pray, follow me. We're here, and none the worse for wear.
We shall wait here.
You are the Arisen. Yet follow me.
Yeah.
This may require a delicate touch.
Tis best you move along. Should one of the other guards espy you, I will be forced to play my part.
I will be forced
Your Majesty.
to kill you. Lest we meet again. What the hell? Det var ni dumma.
Such peace, reigned eternal.
Much is said of the Arisen, though I confess I little understand. Who's there?
Jullie hebben een room gedekt.
Pray, keep your voice low. Twouldn't be good for either of us if someone was summoned to come check on. Could it be that you have come to bring Mother's scheme? Aye, Disa is my mother. Pray, 'twas never my intent to deceive you. I simply feared that if I spoke the truth, none would wish to involve themselves with me. But that is no longer a concern. 'Tis clear that we... My word! You mean to say that you are the true... Could Mother have had a hand in that...
Regent Kin Sven appears to be missing from his chamber.
Me? No. Then start searching, you fool. Should aught befall the Regent Kin, 'tis...
Forgive me. My absence seems to have made this rather more difficult for us. This room turned up little of interest. But I've a mind to look into this further. I shall send word to Captain Brandt if I'll head out first and speak with the Sentinels. Use... Forgive me. I couldn't sleep.
Convention for survival.
Ook rijk.
Everyone's busy with their own affairs, I see. It ought to be said, always and quiet.
Jump. Jump. Jump.
Anywhere better than the middle of a crowd.
I'd sooner stay out of battle, were it possible.
What's this? Come to admire... Oh, oh.
Nada.
If only my collection were complete. Alas, the sculpture... And 'twould wound my pride to have you... If your curiosity shall not be denied, the man's home is located in back...
What say we gather some information?
The sculptor's...
Ugh.
I can't stand all this noise. Go
Oi.
on, have a look.
Well met, son. How might I be of service?
These foreign bows do so intrigue me, but I shall admire.
Why am I a human
Goblin, I
made
hope you
bow?
can reclaim aught from the fiends. Twould bring me peace of mind to know...
Okay, getting there.
Someone taught them a lesson at least.
No purchase.
The goblin... I hope you can reclaim aught from the fiends. Twould...
Poison. Silver.
Bring me peace of mind.
There's a ladder here.
Greet here, we conduct all manner of
Det
procedures
går bara
pertaining to
det är bara tröjigt.
If there is aught, have you found any of the we discussed? Always a pleasure.
There is much we ought to tend to. How fared your mission? Was there aught suspicious to be found? This scrap. 'Twas part of a letter. This alone can prove little, but 'tis clear.
Ja, Percival.
Deezer's actions have weighed even on the mark. 'Tis a surprise, but a welcome one. Deezer is the doting mother before the Regent King. If Regent King Sven is willing to aid us by drawing Deezer's focus, we may be. You have done well, Your Majesty. Though I am.
Ah, det är
Regent be plotting.
That's odd. Queen Regent Disa appears to be working in concert with this Phases fellow. But what? Precisely is their aim.
Well met.
Got to be something fun to do. Life's best taken at a leisurely pace.
Very well, but pray do not make me wait over long.
Nee, die pre-wait Sven's douche met. Do we make ourselves clear here? Whoa! 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 Masquerade. I'm going to a masquerade. Going to a masquerade.
Do you know how long you'll be? I only ask so that I might adopt the most effective stance to recuperate my strength.
So. Whoa, 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 what?
So this is it.
I refuse to accept this.
You can do better than that.
What?
This is bad.
Now you've done it.
Fuck you! Be doing the needle,
I don't know what to do.
I'm nodding off where I stand.
That's all because I just.
Minute now. No sense getting cold. Last time I attended to these.
I ought to find someone to buy me a drink.
Slim pickings of late.
Catch myself.
Stolen throne. Oh, dude, gwerthu costly clothes. Shit. Oh, okay.
I've more time than I know how to spend.
Such quietude is a blessing. What they're whispering of me now.
There's comfort in humdrum. I like to tumble.
Our soldiers need better training.
We shall remain here.
Ddim yn gwisgo lledd iawn yn ni. Okay.
I'll have to remember this place.
I'm just grateful I get to lead a quiet life.
Awful dull. Can't complain, mine.
Dull days for us are a sign that all is well. Towns and politics.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
The strength.
Reckon you can do as you please, eh?
They wish they were in my boots. If they only knew.
Dwi'n gael tynnu ffocin masg fi.
Little.
My god, dwi'n gweld fuck all!
Enough.
Shit.
This will not go unpunished. This is it.
Wat is klaar nu, kidden?
Not sure I can handle this.
Ah, good. You returned. I find myself on edge with this blade in my line of sight.
Fall back, and I will heal you with my magic. Wait a moment.
You looking for a fight?
Be more careful. You really ought to know your limits.
It's Paul, taking the initiative. I'll have you know.
Oh my god! I'm in fucked in the mind. Oh, fucking gamma.
This is quite a quandary.
That's it. I've had enough.
Stuck, come on. Ah!
Reckon you can do as you please, eh?
Fuck's sake, gamma. What the hell? What?
One Wakestone shard is a mere rock, but combined, they can work miracles.
Would that I could. And my virtue is
Would that such peace?
A crime committed here will see one confined to jail.
Shit.
Why, you there? Your presence is requested. Who's the one request? I didn't ask. 'Tis none of my concern.
You are in need of healing. Allow me.
Hawker. Prudence. Hawker.
I enjoy tackling fierce foes and prefer combat's thrills to gather. Please dispense with the formalities.
No.
Mayhap this ladder is here for a reason.
Ah,
I hope you can reclaim aught from the fiends. 'Twould bring me.
Just our two. Akastri. Oh my god.
Peace of mind to know someone taught them a.
Okay. Let's go and buy me a house.
Must we run everywhere? You are an impatient one, Arisen.
Let us endeavor to keep up, though we are less fleet of foot.
Knocking on the door.
I'd fain only don't ask me to lower the price. Much obliged, friend. Suppose I'd best be off. I've my own home to get to.
Get away from my house. That's my house now.
Shall we get some rest then?
Yes.
To this world I return.
Now we've the vim to tackle the day ahead.
Come, we've much to be getting on with.
Jo. Hey, we cleared it.
Underway?
As a matter of fact, the time I spent apart from you was miserable indeed, Master.
Oh, Pam.
May we never be parted again.
Okay.
Dwell not on the past. Focus on the task that lies before you.
Very good.
Have no fear, Master. I'll fare all right without you for a little while.
'Tis not our place to hurry the Arisen.
We stabbed you good.
Apologies, Master, but you will have to do without us for the time being.
Si się kuffie reach the Ti fel into di chwarae games ma fel. Fuck it. Dwi'n actually fucking gwffio fi.
This won't do.
Are we leaving already? Bother. I was just getting warmed up.
My curative magics are at your disposal. It's right there. One of us has been silenced.
that I might adopt the most effective stance to
Hell no. Hell. Oh, I mean.
I must pull myself together. I've not all my plans.
I'm not going to take that from you. Reckon you can lose your best, eh?
Yes. No, I'm just so stuck.
Show what you're made of, cards.
This room was proof of my negligence. No harm shall come to you.
Just that, oh bucket.
Just yonder. Looks to be a good spot for harvesting ingredients.
We shall wait here till your business is done.
Het is just die fucking fucker gamen met de. Oh. Yay. Wat is dat ding eruit? Oh shit.
How dare you? Steel yourself, and we shall not fall here. We must act.
Do you intend to provoke me, sir?
There's nothing you
Oh fuck. Oh my god, do you really? Die fucking gamen we net daar. Wat ben je?
You are no braver. Prove your mettle.
Just dat er even maar.
Battle is to be avoided, I take it, Arisen.
Let us defer to the Arisen's judgment.
Indeed, you are correct.
Buckets! Just fucking slaat, Pope. Bij de geklipt. Nah, guys.
all right without you for a little while.
Semana.
Tis not our place to hurry the Arisen.
Hein. Oh my god.
Do we truly mean to continue this battle?
Come here. Oh, wait a minute.
Heal yourself! Fall back, and I will heal you with my magic. It's right there.
Emergent gameplay. I can gael hwn. Gael hwn yn massive emergent gameplay.
It seems we must part ways for the time being.
Yeah. Well.
I've had enough. Seems this old man's time.
You'll come
is
to
I'll
regret
not brook
angering
such
me.
nonsense. No easy answers here.
Enough.
I'm sure we can still. No minute. Best laat, Bob.
Am I truly so powerless?
Heavens have mercy!
So this is where you were, Master. I searched high and low for you.
Do take care not to stray so far next time.
Okay, we should be fine, one.
This is beyond the pale. Really now?
Ydw i fatha... Ydw i legit di ffwcio fyny'r gêm, man.
juicy rumor.
Okay. Night's
must
Fall.
rest.
Night's Fall.
I fought many battles.
Okay. Equipment. Remove. Remove. Equip. Equip. Equip.
It appears night has fallen while we slept.
Shall we check up?
Deposit.
Be off.
Shall we get underway?
Let's go. Som axel. Okay, ydw i wedi ffwcio'r gem o fyny. O'r lladd. So be ddo? Mae llai glitchy de. Be? Be ddech ysbio hynna?
Know how long you'll be? I only asked so that I might adopt the most effective stance to recuperate my strength.
Dwi wedi lladd y gats ti gyda.
You're far from your station, are you not?
I was bored out my skull guarding the palace. At least here.
Okay. Yn hofio chi... O, nath o'n lladd pob yn y dydd do. Yn weird.
Are you trying to provoke me?
More restrictions on goods traded with Matar. Apparently, even privately owned.
Wat puntje weer? Ach die shit.
I'm in it now.
I've a nickname for you. Forgotten something. Single heavy purse.
Our first sovereign in decades. At last, we will see the end of the age of proxies. Indeed. The Arisen has always been the mainstay of Vermin.
The fuck, man? Approach the false.
Only they are You are right, of course. I shall hold my tongue.
This is a time of celebration. Once the sovereign is fighting fit and returns to us, the peace.
Come on, fucking sovereign. Ach, die daar.
Another ale can't make my
How to proceed?
I shan't let anything spoil my evening.
Fucking game, I can't. Iawn. Okay.
From time to time.
A crowd that size and not a single heavy purse. You have no right.
Oh my god! Pam sy'n na? Fuck's sakes. Sut nes i agro nhw unwaith? A dwi'n mynd ges y lladd rwan. Sut mynd yn gweithio?
Fight like you've some wits about you!
O fo?
Well now, you're...
What is it? Has something happened?
We have it on good authority that a suspicious individual passed through here.
We need to scour the area. Well, scour will be right.
In here.
Open up!
You're dressed rather austerely for a patron.
Ooh.
My humblest apologies, Lady Wilhelmina. We've had reports of an unseemly character in the vicinity, you see, and...
Preposterous. I was out front till but a moment ago, and I did not see so much as a shadow.
Be that as it may.
You are excused. Leave this place, ere you invite our noble host's wrath upon yourself. I will summon you if aught is amiss.
Pray forgive the intrusion.
And what business have you here? In the nobles' playgrounds? Hmm?
You are arisen.
Of someone in search of a juicy morsel. Would you be looking for this, perchance?
Ooh.
Come on then, keep pouring. Do you take me for some green lad who can't handle his cups? I'm your damned king, and a king deserves royal treatment.
Of course, Your Majesty. Tell us, Your Majesty, would you prefer more drink, or shall we find some other way to amuse ourselves?
Mosquito nhw ar y gwely. Ooh.
I believe I cautioned you to keep your drunken revelry in check. Lest
Ooh.
you forget,
Yeah?
these celebrations of your valor are but a pretense for more serious matters.
I know. I do. It's just I get the poison in me and things happen is all.
You need only serve as our false king until Sven becomes consul. Till then, however, you would do well to remember that your role demands a certain degree of dignity.
Ooh.
I trust you understand your position, Your Majesty.
Nay, I mean as you say, I'll go and sober up.
Ti ddim yn gweld y people na.
Why not remove yours as well? This is not the masquerade hall.
Incriminate
We
yourself.
find ourselves quite alone. What say we dispense with such pretenses and speak openly with one another?
God, ma' sgwynnu fucking plots ma. Pwdio.
That will do. If you're discovered, yours won't be the only head that rolls. What is your purpose here, I wonder?
If you came to learn of the sovereign, then 'tis as you have seen. The man is naught but a ale-swilling pretender propped up by the Queen Regent. Of course, that begs the question. If he's a mere mummer, then where might our true Arisen be? You'd best go. I'll do what I can to help you make your escape.
Doe het klaar doen, kid. Net. Doe het klaar doen, kid. That's what I
As
do.
you can see, I run an establishment that caters to certain pleasures. You're welcome to come and play anytime, if you escape with your life.
Ja. Bedrin Karl we hwnna.
Come see me in my bordlery, whene'er you're so inclined. I'll instruct my attendants to send you straight.
So this is where you were, Master. I searched high and low for you.
Our party is reunited. Surely we can ask for no more than that.
Shut up, Redface.
A fine place to harvest some ingredients.
No harm in picking a few.
Boy, man, we need lots of jobs, isn't there?
There is much we ought to tend to. If we are to... I bear word from Regent Ken Sven, Your Majesty. He espied the delivery of a minister who happens to be one of the Queen Regent's staunchest and most powerful allies. From the pains he took to remain on scene, 'tis plain that Allard wished this delivery. That alone is reason to suspect a connection to Deez. The Regent Kin intends to call Allard to his... He bids you to use this opportunity to search the ministers. I shall ensure that the door to them... There is much we ought to tend to. If we are to...
I've killed lots of your men. What say you?
He is merely Deez's puppet then. 'Tis likely that he knows naught of us, even were he to be removed. But if there's aught that compels my attention, he seems a man of import. Pray, allow me to investigate this.
Queen Regent...
Put your boss, wiedzig die met.
We are to strengthen your Majesty's claim as a true Arisen. Do not forget that we work to...
Wiedzig die
Make for the palace, that you might investigate Minister Allard's chambers. I cannot enter the palace myself. I will at least escort you to the entrance.
Gewoon.
A guide is most welcome. Now we shan't lose our way.
Ja, doe ik op een inentlemada.
If that is your destination, you are the Arisen. Yes? Follow me.
Well, we kunnen, hè? Oh, so point die buigen we nou.
Turns my stomach, this does.
I've got to focus. My shift's only just begun.
Ah, oh, it's so shit. No.
Tis best you move along. Should one of the other guards spy you?
I must say, this doesn't sit well with me at all.
Shit. Met die stakker, ja, die absoluut fuck.
What ought I to do?
Wat is zo, man?
This is quite a quandary.
Hold fast. You have the strength to prevail.
Quite something. Oh no, you won't disturb us after that.
En champion at it.
Boots laced. I must try to affect. I'm ready for patrol.
This is enough to break any man's spirit, this.
You are in need of healing. Allow me.
Wait a moment.
Nah, good. That should be.
For your master. I'll fare all right without you for a little while.
'Tis not our place to hurry the Arisen.
I hope you weren't expecting mercy.
Dislike the look of this.
Dit? Huh? Ach, ik hoef je net echt. Dit is nog even.
Am I truly This shall go unpunished.
But not at the expense of my duty.
This pain shan't best me.
Fuck it.
I have been waiting for you. My curative magics are at your disposal. Wait a moment.
My bad with it.
Tis the end of days. Oh dear.
Oh my god.
Falls on me to resolve this.
Hold fast! Have the strength to prevail.
I'll combine my magic with yours that you might cast the spell more quickly.
Whoa! Fucking hell!
Do you know how long you'll be? I only ask so that I might adopt the most effective stance to recuperate my strength.
This can't be how it ends. We're done for.
This won't do.
Whoa!
Rally! You have naught to fear. Fire upon
Presume to confound me, do you?
I mistrust the wizards.
No. Oh my god!
I'm the predicament. Rally! You've got 'em right where you want 'em.
the predicament.
I hope you weren't expecting mercy.
No.
We shall await you here, Master.
Ieder fuckface to elkaar.
I would not presume to know, my lord. However, it must be a highly sensitive matter for the regent kin to request a...
Or perhaps the boy has finally grown wise to the benefits...
My lord...
Oh, unring your hands, you fool! As if anyone in this palace would dare now. If... What are you doing in here? I don't recognize you. Guards, seize the intruder.
Nah! Nah! Zit with them and fucking... Hoe was dit stapje nou?
Sets my thoughts down dark.
I'm not gonna
I can't watch.
Reckon you can do as you please, eh?
Stuck. Oh.
Consort it all.
Really just een stuk maar. Wat? Jongen, wat de fucking hond wat gaan doen?
deal if I can avoid it. Pay what's due. Very well.
What business have we here?
Lite klar på det. Det matcher det. Pass. No! Vi gallu Sigur sef að gefa hann trefi. Björn þetta nôl í hwn. Nos.
Do you recall that package from Batawa delivered to the Minister's chambers last week?
Oh my god.
What's to be done about this?
Fuck of it. No. Give me shins in my can.
You are in need of healing.
Oh my god!
Wait a moment. This is unacceptable. Just yonder looks to be a good spot for harvesting ingredients.
Shall we see if there's aught to be found while we're here?
Oh my god!
Feast your eyes on this!
Oh.
Whatever am I to do?
There's a ladder here.
We ought to put it to good use.
Oh my god! Vad boom så gott för mig! Men... Die fucka vänner hon. De bit fuckers and lladd pob. Dwi'n cael digon o hyn.
Always hope that meet a kinder end.
Tis but a flesh wound, yet enough to shame me.
You have my protection.
Do not test me.
Am I properly equipped for this situation? Mayhap I ought to find a new weapon.
What are you doing? We're in the midst of battle.
If our prayers are not
Pob så kuffar vi.
you.
Just make it quick.
Prepare yourself.
Ty videon.
Take me for a fool.
Vad pob så lladd vi.
Oh dear.
This is my end.
Fall back, and I will heal you with my magics. Wait a minute.
If you want to leave, show us your, Very well.
What am I supposed to do about it?
Who goes
Piss off, I'm sick of looking at you.
Go on. On shut. On just ladd fi!
This is a surprising development.
Ja. Doe die fucking gamer trasad. Wat doe die fucking gamer trasad?
I only polished it this morning.
Down. Get me out of here. Cash. There's no cash.
I'm in no hurry to leave. Tis a dreary life, this.
My curative magics are at your disposal. Wait right there.
Ja, så det måste vi neb.
We're off to Burnworth Palace then. Let us make for the palace, that you might investigate Minister Allard's chambers. Pawns may not enter the castle grounds, Master. We shall have to part ways at the gates.
Okay.
This ladder can take us to new heights.
Neb się ladd fi. Neb się ladd fi.
We must rest. Though the sun is up. I feel refreshed and ready for a new day.
Off we go then.
A good sleep will ensure we are prepared for the morrow.
Death comes for me. I'd sooner stay out.
Ja, så neb się ladd fi. Ideal. Good.
Mayhap I really would have been better off a baker.
Anywhere's better than the middle of a crowd.
Do you know how long you'll be? I only asked so that I might adopt the most effective stance to recuperate my strength.
'Tis not our place to hurry the Arisen.
Please.
You can never be sure.
Yay. Oh. Dwi'n mor as lladd pob yma do.
Money can buy comfort, sure, but not happiness.
Please be done. Hunter? Search Allard's chambers. Allard's chambers? Ah. Captain Brantford, dwi'n gael tîm yn y hwn, di'r boi drwg.
Surely none more important than this.
Indeed. But that...
Ooh. We doing them.
Well, well.
Ooh.
We meet again. Is this...
Oh.
Oi! Who goes there? Who's there?
Dwi'n ddim yn eistedd anyway.
Tut, tut. Now, this just won't do. How's a lady supposed to work with all these interruptions?
Oh, it is you, Lady Wilhelmina.
Mm-hmm. Do excuse us. We thought to enjoy a little fresh air. Though we had hoped for slightly more privacy, if you catch my meaning.
You
Apologies,
perv.
lady. But might I ask the name of your companion?
No.
Are you sure it would be wise? Such knowledge has been known to cost a man his head.
Understood, my lady. If anyone asks, I shall say I saw naught.
A narrow escape. You should count yourself lucky that he was so easily flustered.
Dwi'n just yn gallu just cael ymlaen mynd hefyd.
Is that all you have to say? 'Tis sweet of you to mind your manners, but something tells me this shan't be the last I see of you. Perhaps you'll be good enough to repay me. Off you go now.
Hubris is man's worst enemy.
So be? Yr holl lladd y holl pobol na.
It seems you've made a discovery regarding the false sovereign.
Mae'r map yn gyda lot gwell. I approve. So fe ma'n... Naci. Oh. Captain Brantford there, and...
There is much we ought to tend to, if we are to strengthen your majesty's claim. I know this sigil well. 'Tis the crest of the neighboring country of Batal. Let me see. It reads, "Pray make haste in securing Mel." A meager clue, though 'tis clear that the Queen Regent conspires with... Though the political situation is stable at present, much blood... I fear such a partnership would only put... At any rate, 'Twould seem our search has led us to only more questions. I will investigate these matters as best I can. Only once we have gleaned a and ere it slips my mind. Pray.
Queen Regent Disa.
You wanna?
Appears to be working in concert with this Phases fellow. But what? Precisely is their aim?
Nameless Village. Let's get out of this blinking
Get some rest then.
hellhole.
Now we've the vim to tackle the day ahead.
Come. We've much to be getting on with.
Shall we get underway?
I'm in fine.
What's this all about?
Uyan mynd i fyny.
An ox cart ought to make our journey easier.
One hopes these carts offer comfort commensurate to their costs.
There are useful ingredients to be gathered here, I'll wager.
No harm in picking a few.
Always another errand to see to.
Onwards to the Nameless Village.
Crime committed here. How are we to get through this door?
I don't like the look of this.
Goblins approach!
We have no means of exploiting our enemy's weakness. No one can defend themselves with grapple.
Dare I say it? We trounced our foe, well and true.
Overconfidence is an enemy in and of itself. Let us instead strive to better ourselves with every battle.
Ow.
No sense letting the enemy gain the upper hand. The early griffin gets the worm, as they say.
We angen. Wacht maar. Yeah, for me.
Am I the first to notice we've all got different vocations?
No.
It isn't much of an adventure if all we do is make cows. It is enough to make cows only when we need a ride.
I must ask you to refrain from charging off. Teamwork is the crux of our strategy.
Don't be such a worry, Walt. I know what I'm doing. Would you care to behold a forgotten riftstone as yet undiscovered in this world? Then follow me. It isn't far.
Look there. I espy another statue.
I can foresee no reason not to go see it up close.
I foresee you to shut up.
Witness my magic!
No!
I am well aware. It wasn't my intent.
I knew you would prevail, Master.
I'm grateful to you, Arisen.
Fuckers, am I here?
Perhaps a few more for good measure. Perhaps this will seem of little consequence, but it was asked in forms.
I'll combine my magic. Yours, that you might cast the spell more quickly.
Seems your luck's run out.
Not much chance of a friendly conversation with this lot.
We have no means of exploiting our enemy's weakness.
Oh my god.
Stay with me, Arisen. Wait right there.
No, 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 no. Yes.
One never can have too many of these.
Let us take care when and how we put them to use.
This is it then. My time has come.
I'll gather this. It might be of use.
Dobra. Brawo. Wiemy. Oh shit!
You have my protection.
You'll not live to regret this.
It's a vote worthy of caution. Not save our best will do.
Of course.
It seems we have enraged our foe.
Might we not use their rage to our advantage?
Very well. I must.
One of us has been poisoned.
Come for me if you dare. We'll see how long it lasts before we're stuck in a wall. I'll have to remember to tell my own master about this.
Yay! What? Woo!
Have you forgotten something, Arisen? You're looking rather lost.
Baktım değil mi? Cymer y tŵr yma.
This seems a decent spot for a campsite.
The sun has yet to set. We could rest here now or press on a while longer.
That looks promising. Any ideas as to how we might reach it?
No. No ideas. How? My fellow sir. Ooh.
We have found a material.
I have found the material. There is no we.
You're welcome to take whatever you like from my pack, Master. I'd gladly see you put what I find to good use.
I'm here. Ag ar hynna, dwi'n gorffen y stream. Dwi'n cael mae'n chwarae ond dim streamio. Dwi'n gotio nhw'n ar y fods. Am. Be arall. Na fel chi? Ti'n nesa? O, ydy gwynaf fi wedi rhewi ers ages? Do, I'm sure do. Oh well.
Looks to be a good spot for
Ta-ra.
harvesting ingredients.